Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing how I make and use my new favorite oil, which is carrot oil. I'm starting off with 2 cleaned and peeled large carrots and a half of fresh aloe vera that I have soaked in water for about 1 hour prior to using, just to remove that bitter yellowish slime that comes off of the plant. And then I go ahead and grate my carrots. If you didn't know, carrots help with moisture issues by forming a protective layer on each strand, preventing moisture loss to the scalp and hair. It also aids in hair growth, tames your frizz, and assists with deficiency of vitamin A that contributes to hair loss. Also helps to strengthen and smooth your hair texture. With the 2 carrots, I got about 2 cups worth, and I go ahead and scrape that into my saucepan. And I'm going to go ahead and chop up my aloe vera into small little pieces. My main base is coconut oil. If you don't care for this oil, you can go ahead and use others like sunflower, grapeseed, or even avocado oil. But I went ahead and mixed in a half a cup of sweet almond oil and allowed that to simmer on low heat, making sure to always stir for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And after 1 hour and 30 minutes, here's my oil. I go ahead and strain that and making sure to press out as much oil as possible because there's a lot of oil left in that carrot. You want to squeeze out as much as you can get. And I got about 2 cups, which is not that bad. And for an extra kick of hair growth, I added in about 3 capsules of saw palmetto to my mixture. I'm going to be applying the oil to 3-day hair, but first I go in with the liquid, and a liquid of choice is my aloe vera and fenugreek mixture. I apply it all over my scalp, I massage, and then go in with the warm carrot oil. Now everything is back on point. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you for the next video.